If you want to see what was once a commercial space that's since been transformed into a gorgeous 3-bedroom flat, then stay tuned because we're going to be showing off Wenlock Road. This flat is absolutely fantastic and I can't wait to show it off. We come in and you've got this beautiful hallway that leads to 3 good-sized bedrooms. What's nice is the attention to detail that's been brought in every aspect of this home. And it really gets showcased in this hallway, which often could have just been dead space. But they've created this beautiful gallery space here with this closed bookshelves to really allow you storage space, which is absolutely so precious in homes in London. We are in this fabulous flat and I absolutely love this space. And we've got this living room, dining room area. And what you'll notice is the beautiful floor to ceiling windows. This flat has been completely modernized. You have air conditioning throughout as well as heating. And it really makes for a beautiful modern space. I love the white, bright lights, bright walls throughout. You have recessed lights along with some beautiful accent light fixtures as well. Here in the 3rd bedroom, it continues the theme of having beautiful layout and space and details. You've got the nice beechwood doors. You've got the beautiful light colored hardwood floors. And this can operate as certainly as a 3rd bedroom. They've chosen to style it as a home office, which makes sense given that you've got 2 other ensuite bathrooms. Throughout the flat, you have aircon that's been provided, and here in the primary bedroom, you have it as well. It's a really nice size. You've got the featured wardrobe space, closet space here, as well as secondary storage. And you've got this ensuite bathroom to make it a very comfortable home. Here in the kitchen, you have all the modern amenities you're going to need: separate fridge, freezer, washer, dryer, Siemens appliances throughout, and a really nice, cohesive, modern, clean look. I also particularly like the worktops, the countertops. They have a beautiful, nice, neutral vein throughout, so it can complement any decor that you want to bring into the home. But obviously, when you're thinking about a space, you want to make sure that it flows and that you have, and certainly a kitchen that offers you plenty of counter space and prep space, makes life and living and enjoying the space very easy. In this 2nd bedroom, you have, again, lots of natural light coming in from the floor to ceiling windows. You've got the air conditioning featured as well. Also, again, the recessed lights add extra lighting as needed here. But again, a very light, fresh, modern feel throughout the property. What's also quite special, it's not often you find a property with 2 en-suites, but that's what they've added here. So you've got the comfort for your 2nd bedroom to have that en-suite experience as well. You got what I need. Wenlock Road here in Hoxton. This is such a great property. It is on a beautiful street. It's got a mix of commercial and residential units here, as well as having a park nearby. It is really a nice property for central London living and offers you a wonderful 3-bedroom property that's next to so much